Video number 12. A guide on social media advertising. LinkedIn ads. Are you a demand generation marketer focused on leads, a brand marketer looking to raise awareness, a little bit of both? LinkedIn's suite of marketing solutions is here to help. Learn how to get started in 5 easy steps. LinkedIn advertising. Using the self-service LinkedIn ads platform, you can create 2 types of ads: sponsored updates and text ads. Both of these allow you to send visitors to your website. The differences between the two are where they are displayed and how you create them. There are 5 main types of LinkedIn ads. Display ads, share content with a targeted audience. Sponsored in mail, deliver sponsored content directly to LinkedIn user inboxes. Sponsored content, your content will appear in the LinkedIn timelines of your target audience. Text ads, these are text-based ads that appear in the right column of the desktop. Dynamic ads, these ads also appear in the right column, but incorporate display ad unit formats. Audience and targeting. You can specify who you want to see the ad based on the industry they work in, their position and seniority. Maybe you're sharing a white paper for managers, where they work, how big their employer is. Think of a post targeting enterprises, not SMBs, and beyond. How to buy. The process will vary a bit depending on the type of ad you want to run. Since text ads are the simplest and least expensive way to get started, that's what we will focus on here. Step 1. Create a new campaign. On your LinkedIn homepage, hover over the Business Services tab at the top right and choose Advertise. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Create Ad. Then, choose what type of ad to create. Step 2. Build your ad. Choose what to link your ad to, then add a small image along with your headline and copy. You can preview the ad on the right side of the page. Step 3. Choose your target audience. Choose your target audience by industry, company size, job title, and so on. Step 4. Budgeting. Set your daily budget and your bid, which will be a choice between paying for clicks or impressions. If you have never built an ad before, finish by entering your payment information. Then review your order and launch your campaign. Step 5. Measure and optimize your campaign. You can access your analytics by visiting Campaign Manager and selecting the campaigns you want to evaluate. That's it, you are now ready to create, run, and optimize ads on LinkedIn. Now it's time to reach your ideal customers on the world's largest professional network. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.